Hi, in today's video, I'm going to share with you the latest major update to ChatGPT. There's this instant checkout, new way to shop directly inside your chat in ChatGPT. This is actually built in partnership with Etsy, Shopify, and Stripe. This feature actually turns the ChatGPT into a fully interactive shopping assistant. Okay, let's try how it works. I'm actually now in ChatGPT. I'm actually based in Singapore, so what I did, I have to actually change my IP address to a US IP address. I use a VPN to do that. I'm already logged in and now in a US IP address. So because this feature is only for US currently, so I'm going to show you how the new e-commerce feature of ChatGPT works. Okay, let's start with a prompt. Okay, let's say show me some gift ideas for house warming gift for my friend. Under $50. Okay, let's see what it comes out. It gives some write up on some gift ideas, and then right now it shows CP2 target pottery barn. It didn't show Etsy. Yeah, there's Walmart, Target, and all that. So that, but let's see when I click on this, you have to visit the website of the companies directly to buy. But in new future, I think this prompt still may not be good. Just so I tested using birthday gift. Let's see whether it works. Because it should be showing Etsy. Because right now the feature is only for Etsy. Okay, let's see. This is housewarming. Housewarming, we didn't have, maybe Etsy doesn't have much housewarming gift. Let me try. Okay, give me some gift ideas for birthday gift for friend under $50. So we wrote about some thoughtful ideas, spa kit, jewelry, custom mark. Now let's look at here. Origins, no strong. Oh, there you go. Finally, I found one exit. All these right, these are actually from the seller itself. You have to go to their website. For Etsy, now it has a built-in feature like this. Let me click on it. Eh, it's still showing visit. Where's the buy button? Just so I'm able to get the buy button. Ah, you see, there's a buy button for this. Okay. So it seems like not every one of them has a buy button feature. No, okay, let's try this buy button feature. Buy button feature. Okay. It is buy button feature. So it accepts the Google Pay. You can pay with link, pay with another way, enter your credit card details and all that. And okay. By the way, I read that they also partner with Stripe to enable the payment gateway. This and in future, they're also partnering, from my understanding, they're also partnering with Shopify. So you're going to see some products from Shopify over here, and ChatGPT as well, where you can buy online. But currently now it's only available for US. So there you go. Necklace over here, you can actually buy directly through a chat. Okay. But the features is not that fantastic yet. It didn't appear in the first one because all this give ideas. You have to go to the respective shop and visit. It's not directly through the chat. Okay, like this, I have to go out to the website to visit to buy. Yeah, okay, buy. But this is also a very good feature now that you can actually through chat you can look at for ideas and then get some links of products to buy. But the new feature is actually direct buy through online chat. Group Xe, this like this. Okay, yeah. So that that is how some ideas. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's see. What if I prompt them? Can I buy directly through this chat? Give me more give ideas. Okay, can sell directly to here. But actually, I think the AI is still not intelligent enough. Actually, we can buy directly now with the buy button. So the AI engine needs to be improved. Still not good enough. Okay. Yeah, you see, right now I can put together a current list of online items under direct shopping links at Amazon, Etsy, Target, etc. Okay. But actually, OpenAI announced that they have this buy button feature now for Etsy, and they're going to implement for Shopify soon. Okay, let me go and tell ChatGPT. But I read news that ChatGPT has buy button e-commerce directly through chat. Yeah, you see now this to open launch a feature called instant checkout, which allows users in certain region in US actually to purchase directly in ChatGPT without redirecting to external site. So yeah, buy in ChatGPT, yeah. It lets users buy directly, yes. It's only for single item. And US-based Etsy seller. This is only for Etsy seller. Okay, Shopify merchants going to be supported soon. And it's powered by a agentic commerce portal built in partnership with Stripe. Okay, for secure payment. Now it's only for single items. Checkout. More multi items will be later, so you only can buy one time single item. Okay, now why they put that you won't see the buy button. Even though the feature exists, yourself caveats it may not be available in all countries. For me, I am in the IP address of US. I should be able to see, so that's why I'm able to see this buy button. But not all. I still see other item suggestions for external sites. Okay. And not all merchants support the instant checkout yet. Only sellers who have opted in integrated with the system will show a buy button. Okay. Maybe that's why the instant checkout feature. So you have to see the seller whether they opt in for this instant checkout. Okay. Current version supports only one item per purchase. You can't check out with multiple items. Okay. Yeah, maybe now I am actually through IP address portlet. So get some ideas. Okay, I'll say yes. See what they will say. What they will come up in US. Okay, found some instant checkout and give ideas. Yeah, launched a few days ago. Only for US. It's currently available to US for free, plus, and pro users. Currently, I'm a free account user, so yeah, but must purchase from a US based Etsy sellers. Single product. Give ideas under $50. Okay, so these are some items. Crescent moon. Let's look at it. Oh, there's a buy button. Okay. Instant checkout helps you directly order from merchants in ChatGPT. Okay. Merchants may pay a fee when buy is free for you. You in the product recommendation. So write out. Okay, you can also read at the reviews of this product. Okay, there's an instant checkout. Okay, let's look at the crescent flower, pendant, necklace. Oh, you can choose variation. Ah, nice. But I can't see when I choose the different color, it didn't show the image of the different color. So it's still not fantastic. It didn't show. Let's look at the pictures here. Not good. It didn't show. And let's see. No, when I choose different option, it didn't change. So it's still not fantastic. Okay, not so good. There's a lot of rooms for improvement. Okay, now let's look at the happy box gift sets. This is external link, not Etsy. So only 2 items under $50. Quite limited, yeah, quite limited. Okay, so just showing you that this instant checkout new feature from ChatGPT. What do you think of this new feature, new e-commerce feature by OpenAI ChatGPT? Leave your comments below. Yeah, if you like this video, do click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more AI videos or tech videos. Yeah, and you can share this video to others as well. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.